First time I actually have a look at this. Okay. 2-layer. Okay. Compact. Oh. Interesting. And the screwdriver, really, so far this is my first Swiss Army knife with a screwdriver like this one, and with the pin. A bit shaky, and the other side. I like the style of these red Seridor scales, especially when they're new. 2-layer, really compact. They call it compact for a reason. Compared to my Victorinox Tinker, compared to a classic SD Alox and the Mini Champ Alox. Let's see here. Hardware. Wow. It's super compact. Double plus scales, pretty soft, and a little pen. Could be useful actually. There's the corkscrew and the pin. The pin is a bit difficult to take out like that. It's a bit hard to remove. Okay. It's a simple pin, but could be useful. It's really also very solid in there. And then there is this tool. Screwdriver for glasses or for really tiny devices. Hold securely. Actually, wow, really hard to open this one. I'm gonna break my nail. Wow, it's so hard to open it. Almost this magnet. Most important, the main, I think the main or the blade. It's the blade. There is the oil on it. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. Very solid clank. Really sharp as usual. Officer Swiss. Very well made, actually. It feels really solid, the whole thing. Feels really. And on this side, instead of the secondary blade, we have an oily cap lifter and a bit of a screwdriver. More bendy. Also a bit more bendy than the Ranger. The Tinker on the right, it's more like the usual, and the compact on the left, a bit more compact. Bit oily, which is good, keeps the rust out. Yeah, really compact here. Halfway lock. So you have the knife, the cap lifter, the scissors. Scissors are really big. Wow. Really full-size scissors. Wow. the same to me. I think they are the same. Yeah, they are the same. Okay. Nice and chunky, big scissors. Okay. And that's it. It's super compact. It has the pen extra. No can opener, but you can use the knife to open the can. Maybe even that cup lifter, you could try to use it for cans. I think this could open a can also, like this, action down, open the can like that. Maybe that's why it's made different.